Plant FAQs. Aponogeton ulvaceus. Unraveling the enigma of Aponogeton ulvaceus. As an avid aquarist and enthusiast of aquatic plants, one specimen has always held a special place in my heart, the Aponogeton ulvaceus. With its striking appearance and relatively easy maintenance, this plant has become a staple in my aquariums. In this article, I'll share insights gleaned from years of experience, addressing common queries about planting, trimming, propagating, and caring for Aponogeton ulvaceus. What is Aponogeton ulvaceus? Before delving into the intricacies of care, let's understand what makes Aponogeton ulvaceus unique. Originating from Madagascar, this aquatic plant belongs to the Aponogetonaceae family. Its broad, translucent green leaves possess an ethereal quality, making it a captivating addition to any freshwater aquarium. The plant's bulbous structure serves as its anchor, from which vibrant foliage emerges, creating a visually stunning underwater landscape. How to plant Aponogeton ulvaceus bulb. Planting the Aponogeton ulvaceus bulb is a straightforward process, but requires attention to detail to ensure optimal growth. Begin by selecting a suitable substrate, preferably rich in nutrients, to support the plant's development. Gently bury the bulb in the substrate, ensuring it is not planted too deeply. Adequate lighting and regular fertilization are essential to promote healthy leaf growth. With proper care, the bulb will sprout, giving rise to the characteristic leaves that define this species. Can you trim Aponogeton ulvaceus? Trimming Aponogeton ulvaceus is not only feasible, but also beneficial for maintaining its aesthetic appeal and preventing overcrowding in the aquarium. When pruning, focus on removing yellowing or decaying leaves using sharp, sterilized scissors or aquascaping tools. Additionally, trimming can encourage new growth and prevent the plant from overshadowing other aquatic flora. Be mindful not to overprune, as this can stress the plant and impede its overall health. How to propagate Aponogeton ulvaceus. Propagating Aponogeton ulvaceus allows enthusiasts to expand their collection or share this stunning plant with fellow aquarists. The most common method of propagation involves harvesting daughter bulbs that develop alongside the parent plant. Carefully detach these bulbs from the rhizome and plant them in a separate area of the aquarium substrate. Provide adequate lighting and nutrient supplementation to facilitate robust growth. With time, these propagated bulbs will mature into independent Aponogeton ulvaceus specimens, perpetuating their beauty in the aquatic environment. What to plant with Aponogeton ulvaceus. Pairing Aponogeton ulvaceus with compatible aquatic species can enhance the visual appeal and ecological balance of your aquarium. Consider incorporating complementary plants such as Ulvaceus, Java fern, or Cryptocorin for a lush and diverse aquatic landscape. Additionally, select fish species that coexist harmoniously with Aponogeton ulvaceus, avoiding those known to uproot or damage delicate foliage. By curating a harmonious aquatic ecosystem, you can create a captivating underwater tableau that showcases the beauty of Aponogeton ulvaceus. How to take care of Aponogeton ulvaceus. Maintaining optimal conditions is crucial for the health and vitality of Aponogeton ulvaceus. Provide moderate to high lighting levels to support photosynthesis and promote robust leaf growth. Additionally, supplement the aquarium with liquid fertilizers rich in essential nutrients, ensuring the plant receives adequate nourishment. Regular water changes and substrate vacuuming help prevent nutrient imbalances and maintain water quality. Monitor for signs of nutrient deficiencies or pest infestations, addressing any issues promptly to safeguard the plant's well-being. In conclusion, Aponogeton ulvaceus exemplifies nature's artistry, captivating aquarists with its graceful form and vibrant foliage. By understanding the intricacies of planting, trimming, propagating, and caring for this aquatic gem, enthusiasts can cultivate thriving underwater landscapes that showcase the plant's innate beauty. With proper attention and diligence, Aponogeton ulvaceus will flourish, enriching the aquatic environment and delighting observers with its ethereal charm.